Hi everyone. So let me first tell, I know the Halloween is officially done, but honestly the Halloween mood still lingers in my home. So with that inspiration in head, I decided to make one last Halloween page for this year. Also this time I will do something that I don't tend to do, and that is to draw the focal point for my page by myself. Now, drawing a pumpkin isn't a big challenge, but if you struggle, one thing that can help is just looking at some reference photos. First, put down your lines lightly and have an eraser at hand. As you can see, I used mine quite often. Anyway, when I was happy with my lines and shapes, before coloring the pumpkin itself, I reinforced my line with the black fine liner. In this particular case, I have used Pigma Micron ink pen. Later in the video you will see that I have drawn all together 3 pumpkins and a wooden road sign. Now, even though I drew some elements for my page, other ones I have stamped from Art by Marlene stamp set called Toadstool. And after the stamping comes time for coloring. This time I have decided to go with Prismacolors, and here I will show you just a part of the process. While you're watching this, be sure to understand that actually this video is not a real time, it's sped up quite a bit, so this process lasts actually much longer than it looks. As you can see, I mostly put darker colors towards the edges and towards the center brighter colors. And when working with Prismacolors, it's all about blending. One technique to get the perfect blended look is to use the odorless mineral solvent. Of course, that is not necessary, and you can choose to blend the colors just by using brighter shades. But I honestly like this technique because it gives more smooth look. Now that all of my elements are ready, it is time to start working on a background. For background, this time I have decided to go with Art by Marlene acrylic paints. The colors of my choice were Mermaid, Sky and Forest. And as you will soon see, I will use a bit of white color called the Lace for the clouds. While doing this, I was also thinking that I would like some kind of a frame for my page. And for that purpose I will be using one of the black refill pages for the Art by Marlene Perfect Size Journal. But to make stuff more interesting, I will be also using one of the new stencils as well. My chosen stencil comes from the Playful Frames stencil set, and I will use it in combination with the hot curry acrylic paint from Art by Marlene. To improve the look of the ground of my page, I will use one of these silhouette stamps from the Autumn Flourish stamp set. For stamping I will use ink which is just a shade darker from the color of the acrylic paint which I have already used. Now, as a finishing touch, I just wanna put some shading and ground to my elements and my page is done. Anyway, that's it from me today. I hope to see you soon and have a nice day. Bye!